Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor doesn't recognize your fingerprint properly. Now in such case, let's set up a new fingerprint for our device, and let's do it in a proper way. So let's go to the settings, then open security and privacy. Here go to device unlock section, go to fingerprint and face unlock. Select fingerprints, then confirm. If you have any previous fingerprint models on your device, remove them, like this. And then let's add a new fingerprint, but before we start, let's use a dry towel to wipe the surface of the scanner, so the bottom part of the screen, and also check your screen protector, because this is the very serious matter in this case, as many cheap screen protectors usually don't allow you to enroll a fingerprint properly, as the sensor cannot read your fingerprint through the cheap screen protector. So make sure that you either use an original screen protector from OnePlus, or maybe get a more expensive, a more reliable screen protector if your fingerprint keeps being read improperly. So let's begin by tapping the fingerprint again, and then add fingerprint, add now, and then let's press the finger on the screen. Use different parts of your fingerprint to ensure the best experience. Now let's enroll the edges. You should really try your best to use all parts of your finger in order for the model to be read properly. Okay, and when you're done, click done. Then let's go back to settings and let's select system and update settings and check if your software is up to date, because if your software is outdated, that might also affect the way that your hardware works, including the fingerprint sensor. Now give me a moment. Okay, so as you can see, the version of my software is up to date, so make sure that yours is too. And now, in order to apply settings, let's restart the phone by holding the volume up key and the power button for a moment, like this. Then select restart and let your phone reboot before we proceed. So let's wait a moment again. Okay, and now that the phone is restarted, first give it a moment to load completely, and now let's try to check how the fingerprint sensor works now. As you can see, it went pretty smoothly for me, and I really hope that it did for you too, and I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.